Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, and today we've got the Sportsman grill out, and you guessed it, we're going to be making brats and summer sausage with grilled onions. Got my coffee here ready because it's National Coffee Day, so let's get this show on the road here. We got our Sportsman's grill down in the fire pit because it's kind of windy and chilly today, so we want to knock that wind off of the Sportsman grill. We got a pretty good chunk of charcoal in there heated up now, but I'm going to add a little bit more because I need a good bit of fire today to get these brats and this summer sausage charred the way I want to. And then we're going to take and add them to a cast iron skillet here with our onions and grill those onions in a little bit. But anyway, we'll get these dudes turned over here. They're starting to char pretty good. We're getting a little bit of char on them. Boy, that looks good right there, don't it? Man, them brats is looking real good now. Some of these summer sausages here looks to me like they're starting to get a little too hot on this one end over here, but that's okay. We're going to pull them off here in a little bit. We're not going to cook them all the way through just right now. Just want to get a good little char on the sides of them, and we'll take and pull these off here and get them in our pan here. And so we'll get the rest of these here. We got several of them already off the grill that's ready, and we'll put some of these others that's not completely done yet kind of over in the hotter part of the grill to kind of finish them off a little bit and get a good char on them. But anyway, I want to know, do you like summer sausage or do you like brats? Leave me a comment down in the description there or down in the comment section. Let me know which one you like the best, brats or summer sausage. My wife's more of a summer sausage person, and I say I probably am too. But anyway, we've got our 12-inch cast iron skillet here. We've got a couple of onions sliced up, got our brats ready to go, and in this cast iron skillet now I've got about a half a stick of butter, and I'm also going to put a little bit of chicken broth in here. I got about a half a can of chicken broth I'm going to add to this so we can kind of start to saute these onions down. We'll get all this mixed up together here real good, and we'll set this over on the Sportsman grill and let them start to do their trick, do their thing. I love some good old sauteed onions, don't you? Man, and butter and chicken broth just makes it. So we'll get these on here and let them go, put a lid on it for just a minute and allow them to start to steam down a little bit. And so now it's been just about 10 minutes or so. We'll take a look at them, see what they look like. They're starting to saute down a little bit. So we'll go ahead and get these stirred and mixed around a little bit and let them continue to simmer down. Give them just a few more minutes to do what we want and get them to the point we want. So let's put a lid back on them, let them simmer just a few more minutes. So been just about, I don't know, 8 or 10 more minutes. So boy, these are looking good. I want you to look at these onions here. So we'll go ahead, man. I wish you could smell this. Man, that smells so good. Anyway, we'll go ahead and start to add these sausages and brats to this to these sauteed onions, and we'll place all these dudes in here real nicely. Let them start to steam up and cook up. What we're wanting to do now, being pork and everything, we're wanting to try to pull these up to about 165, 170 or so internal temperature. And since we've already got them charred real good, they've partially cooked. Got the onions partially cooked, so this shouldn't take long because this Sportsman grill is hot, and that grill is real close to the charcoal, so it ain't gonna take long. But anyway, we'll go ahead and pour the rest of this juice up in here and get the lid on this dude, and we'll let it do its deal. We'll come back and check this here in about 10 minutes or so, so give me just a minute. Well, it's been about 10 minutes. Let's take a look at this and see what's going on here. Well, look at the moisture come off of that lid, man. You think that thing ain't steaming up good? Look at that. Boy, it looks good right there. I wish you guys could smell this, because it sure smells good. Got the whole neighborhood smelling up. I know my neighbors love me. But anyway, we're going to move these around just a little bit. We're going to put the lid back on it, and we're going to go ahead and what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this skillet kind of like we do on a Dutch oven. I'm going to turn this skillet a quarter turn on the Sportsman grill here in case we do have some hot spots. And let's take a look at it now. It's been on here about 10 more minutes and everything, so I want to make sure we don't burn these or whatever. Don't cook them too long because this is hot. This is a hot fire. Oh yeah, these are looking real good, these brats. Let me test these here. My Insta-read thermometer, I'm gonna check this right here. It's looking about 190, so we're a little hot actually. So they're ready. Let me check another one just to be safe. This summer sausage here, yeah, it's a little over 190, 195 or so. So they're definitely ready. They're cooked through and through. So we'll go ahead and just put our lid back on it and let's remove it from the fire and set it up here on my diamond wire and let that kind of start to cool a little bit. And we're gonna get ready and grab us a what do they call, hoagie bun, I guess it is. Something like that. But anyway, we're gonna try one of these dudes out here in just a minute and see how they taste. Onions got a little warm. That's one thing I didn't like about that. They cooked up a little more than I would like, but hey, anyway, that's the way it goes. We still got some good brats and summer sausage with onions. Let me get one of these dudes on one of these hoagie buns here with a little mustard and see what this looks like here. Boy, it looks good, that's for sure. We're gonna give her a taste test here. Add a few of them onions. Love them charred up onions like that, don't you? Well, I do. So we'll put the lid back on this dude and we're gonna give her a taste and see what she looks like. I'm gonna try this out, man, oh man. Yes, sirree. Here we go. All right. Sportsman's Grill brat, summer sausage. That's the deal right there, man. It's finger looking good. I love it. That's a hit. You guys need to try this. Man, that so is good. And I'll tell you what, we're gonna go ahead and cook us up some hamburgers for this week's lunch too. Ain't no need in wasting good hot charcoal while we've got it here ready, so we'll get these burgers going here and we'll have us something to eat the rest of this week. Hey, we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. You know, we just wanted to make up some good old Sportsman's Grill brats and summer sausage with grilled onions today. And if you like what we're doing, be sure and hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment, hit the like button, and we'll see you soon. Have a great day.